What's up, everybody? Almost Thanksgiving. So me and B is out here riding over here, riding our dirt bikes at the park. And look what we came across. Look at that cute armadillo. Look at that sucker run. We're riding father and son out here on our bikes in the dirt bike park. We're about to hit the big track. Look at Brandon. Look Brandon over here. Look what happens when you go dirt biking through the wild kingdom right there. Huh? Almost have to go hospital already. All right, you ready to go hit the jam park? All right, see you guys on the next adventure. Happy Thanksgiving if I don't see anybody of you.